My name is Kiri Sir. I'm studying in UKG section. I'm going to play Mahakavi Bhadya's role. Bhadya was born on December 11, 1882 in Ettapuram, Tamil Nadu. His father was Chinnasamy Iyer and mother Lakshmi Amma. Bhadya was a great poet and freedom fighter. He had written many songs and poems. His famous works are Kanapattu, Kuilpattu and Pallai Sabatham. Achu mulla achu embadille ichukattu ulla meduthu nandu pogirum. Achu mulla achu embadille tuchumai enni namme toodu seithu pogirum. Achu mulla achu embadille pichai vaali onnu valkkai petti vittu pogirum. Achu mulla achu embadille